Today we are going to start to learn about IoT. What is meant by IoT? What are all the characteristics of IoT? What are all the applications of IoT? What is meant by IoT means Internet of Things. It is a common platform or network where we can connect our physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. Actually, the main purpose of IoT is to connect the objects and they will exchange the data with the other devices by using an internet so that we can operate the devices from where we are. From that place itself, we can operate the devices which are there in our home. Simple example is nothing but smart home. So here we are showing an example where IoT stands. See here we can operate by using our mobile phone, our car, and as well as smartwatch is one of the example. We can operate our microwave oven. All these are the examples of our IoT. So if you observe one more thing here in our picture, these are all the applications of our IoT. So simply I can say that Internet of Things is to collect and exchange the data with each other and with other systems over the internet. So all these are some of the examples which you can able to see all the examples of our IoT. We'll see from when the IoT started. So history of IoT. If you observe your history of your IoT, if you see the history of IoT will stands from it started from 1989. The first IoT device is created there, and then in 1994, one scientist, Steve Mann, he creates webcam, and you can observe in 2005, UN publishes its first report on the Internet of Things. And before 2005, in 2000 itself, LG announces the first smart refrigerator. Nowadays, if you can observe that we are in a way that our world, that is something that we are mostly using economic forum names such as IoT with an advanced technologies like AI and as well as machine learning. In 2009, the original Fitbit activity tracker is released. You can see nowadays some people they will be wearing that device and they will be tracking their health, how much run we have did, walking, all those things. All these are some of the examples of our IoT. So it started from there. So if you see, there are some advantages and as well as disadvantages of our IoT. So coming to our advantages, it will minimizes the human work and effort. As why obviously I can say yes for this particular point. Why? Because it will, if for example smart home, if we take, we will by sitting in our place itself, we can operate the TV, we can operate our oven, we can operate our fridge, we can operate our AC. So no need to stand and no need to walk for the remote or anything else. By our mobile phone itself we can operate all these things, so that it can say that it will minimizes the human work and effort. At the same time, as it is minimizing our human work and effort, I can say one of the disadvantage is nothing but lack of mental and physical activity by humans, leading to health issues. This is also one of the disadvantage. And the advantage is saves time and effort, and the disadvantage is nothing but it is independent on the internet. It is beneficial for healthcare industry. Why? Because in hospitals mostly they are using this IoT application, so it is very beneficial for healthcare industry. But it requires a complex system for maintenance, and it is secured at sometimes. At sometimes it may not be secure. It will reduces the use of many electronic devices. Why? Because one device will plays very important role. We can do the job by using only one device instead of lot of other devices. So we have so many advantages. At the same time, we have disadvantages. Okay, thank you. We will see some more later.